Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I tint my eyebrows. Now I have done this video before, I think I did it last year, maybe it's the year before, but I have changed how I do it. I used to use the dark brown and now I use the black. And the tint that I use is just this EYLURE box kit. Now this one is in black. I did used to use the dark brown, but now I just prefer my eyebrows a little darker and it does last a lot longer, whereas I found the brown one was washing out pretty quick. So I will do one at a time so you can see the difference between both of them. And I'll just show you what I do. So inside the pack you get a tube of the colour cream and then you get a little bottle of the activator, so you just mix these together. So it says in the instructions to mix 2 centimeters of this along with 5 drops of this. So in the little container that you get it in, you get like a little, what's this? Just a little pot in the middle there to mix it, and then you get a little wand to mix it with. And I just actually put the tint on using this little wand. So yeah, I'm going to mix that together right now. Just add 2 centimeters of the colour in that little bowl pot, and then 5 drops of activator. And then you just mix them two together. So once you've mixed it all together, it just goes like this. It's just like a thick kind of cream. And then I literally just take it on the end of whatever this is, this little wand, and then I literally just paste it onto my eyebrow. I try and keep it on the eyebrow as much as I can, just because this does actually stain your skin. So I try and just do it in the shape of my eyebrow as much as I can so it doesn't go over too much, and just make sure that all of the hair is covered. It says to leave the cream on for 5 to 10 minutes. I tend not to leave it on too long just because it is black and it does go very dark. So I'm just going to chill for 5 minutes, wait for this to develop, and then I just wipe it off using micellar water. I'm literally running out of this, don't have much left at all. But yeah, I just use that on a cotton pad and then just rub it all off. So this has been on for 5 minutes. I'm just going to take this off now. So I literally just soak a cotton pad and then just wipe off. So I've just took that off, brushed through my eyebrow, and this is the difference. It's not like, I think it sounds so much scarier when you say you're dyeing your eyebrows black, but when you look at the actual difference in both of them, it's not too dark just because I didn't leave it on too long. It just fills in like all of the tiny little hairs and makes your eyebrows look so much thicker. So I'm just going to do my other eyebrow. So I'm just going to leave that on for 5 minutes again. This eyebrow set actually does come with a little spoolie. I think that you're meant to kind of brush the product through with that. It's just easier to get that perfect eyebrow shape using the little wand, so that's why I prefer to use that. Right, so that's been left on for 5 minutes as well. I'm just going to take this one off. So that is the finished eyebrows with the black dye on. To be honest, the black dye isn't that much different from the brown. It does just last a little longer. It is slightly darker. Obviously I don't leave it on for too long, so it doesn't make too much difference, but if you did leave it on for longer, I wouldn't like to see how it would turn out on my colour eyebrows. So yeah, I will link this eyebrow kit down below just in case anyone is interested in trying it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.